To Nasir Soft. In this video, we will talk about the state actions value function with example in reinforcement learning. Okay, so this is a simple program, and inside this program, for example, we define the number of states that is equal to 6 and the number of action that is equal to 2. And when we talk about the left side maximum reward, that I set it to 100 and the terminal right side reward to 40, and the gamma is set it to 0.5. Okay, if I run this, here you can see this. Okay, the all the returns are giving basically inside each state. And when we talk about the, for example, state 5, and here you can see that the right side reward is 20.0 and the left side is 6.25, so the algorithm goes for optimal for the right side. Okay, so let's change. For example, first of all, if the right award is we changed to the 10 and again execute here you can see that as the right basically terminal award is 10, and inside this now 6.25 is greater than 5.0, so therefore the algorithm suggests the policy from right. Okay, here you can see basically the right award is 100, so it is greater than the 10. Okay, so here how you basically this algorithm shows how the we can change the value will impact on the overall. Okay, let's change again to the 40 and let's play with the gamma. Okay, as you know that if the gamma value is basically always between 0 and 1, and if the value is too small, then the algorithms basically cares about the immediate action. Okay, for more focusing on the immediate action rather than the future basically future reward. More basically the algorithm more care about the immediate reward than the future reward. A high value of gamma means that more focusing on future reward. Okay, so we set it between, for example, if we enhance it to zero point 0.9, it means that now the algorithm will focus on the future reward. Okay, so here if we execute here you can see that now from, for example, if we talk about this state, the difference is in state 5 is too much. From one is 36 and the other is 65 point, so it means that algorithm is too much care about the future reward, so therefore it shows its direction from left to right as the 100 reward is maximum than the 40, so therefore. Okay, so we will choose the value of gamma between 1 and 2 and for optimal solution between that. Okay, for example, if we again execute here you can see that this is the optimal, and here inside the 5 state the algorithms goes from right side, as from the left side is too much basically stages in order to reach. So when you are inside the state 5, to basically to reach on the state this terminal, right hand terminal, it's much easier than to this one. So this is the how the state action values function basically works. So I hope you will understand about this topic. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more informative videos. Stay blessed, have a nice day.